I learned about this new technology called permanent teeth in a day, where patients don't have to wait for months to have bone grafting, and since their surgery center is like a one-stop shop, I don't have to visit so many dentists for consultations. I remember I was crying while I was on the dental chair because I couldn't believe that day will ever come where I could wear implants. It was July 21st, 2023 when the surgery took place. I remember having that mixed feelings of anxiety and joy, but Dr. Sam, along with both doctors and staff, made me feel relaxed. Of course, just like any other surgeries, you will experience pain. But I always remind myself that the pain is only temporary compared to the lasting rewards I will experience for the rest of my life.